Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your animations on your Galaxy S24 Ultra running OneUI 7. And this makes your animations super smooth, which I will show you here in a second. What you're going to need to do is enable your developer menu by going into your software information section under the About Phone. I have skipped one step just so my phone number doesn't show, but go to the software information and go to the build number right here. Tap that 5 times, which will enable the developer menu, and then you will find it under the About Phone section that you went to just a second ago to enable it. So tap here. And then you can just search. I usually just search like animation and search that, and you'll get a right here, the transition animation scale. You're going to want these 3 options, and you're going to want to change the transition animation scale. I just changed them all to 0.5. You can change just the animator duration scale to 0.5, I believe it is, and it will do basically the same thing. Either that or the transmission animation scale. Both of these two usually seem to affect it, but I just changed all 5 of them just to make it, the animations a lot faster. So you can see here when I open the settings app, it flies right in, whereas if I have it on 1, still the same thing. I think it is the animator duration scale that does this, but that's the default right there. You can see the app, the animation between like the icon and the app actually opening is a little bit slower. And you can actually slow it down even more if you want to. So you can see it closing there, and it kind of slowly, gradually doing that. So there is the slow-mo version of it. But if you put it on 0.5, it is a lot faster. And you can leave these on 1 times. 1 times is the default if you want to go back. But right there you can see it is super snappy. Everything like that. I use, like I said, all 3 of them 1.5 just to increase the animation speed all over the system, and I find that works really well for different things. And you can see how fast everything opens. It just makes your phone feel a lot snappier. Even though the phone's not slow or anything like that with the default animation, it gives it a little more speed, and overall there's a little bit less time between tapping the icon and the animation finishing and the app actually being open. So I do find that to be a little bit nicer, and that is something I do here on OneUI 7. You can do this on older versions as well. Just search your developer menu, but with the new animations in OneUI 7, it might be something people are looking for. So I'm just making another video here showing you guys how to do that. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.